Thanks to the ISP Fund, our classrooms are becoming places where ideas come alive and students discover their potential.
Thanks to the generosity of our community through the ISP Fund, our learners now have access to the Anatomage table, a powerful digital platform that makes science come alive.
With this technology that's available, I felt like it was very important to try and find ways to integrate it into the Lang & Lit classroom, and the language acquisition is one of the easiest ways to do that.
In mathematics, new interactive touchscreens are transforming lessons into dynamic, hands-on explorations. The interactive touchscreens will support our use of Desmos, an interactive math tool that improves conceptual understanding by providing simulations that students can test themselves.
With a touch, students can manipulate shapes, points on a graph, and see how numbers, symbols, and ideas connect. Instead of just talking about the slope of a line, they can physically drag a line on a graph and watch the equation change in real time. This helps them build a strong conceptual understanding rather than just memorizing formulas.
Through our new weather station, students will soon collect and analyze real data about the environment around them. Instead of abstract textbook problems, they'll be studying the weather they experience every day, making science meaningful, personal, and deeply engaging. Now in grade 8, our electrical engineering hub will turn theory into practice as students wire a scale model house, solving design challenges just like real electrical engineers. And in our design studio, professional tools like a laser cutter and 3D printers give students the power to prototype, create, and turn bold ideas into reality.
We were fortunate enough in the music department to get 5 Ableton moves from the ISP Fund last year, which is awesome. These are beautiful little handheld devices which are inside their 4-track synthesizers. There's a very low barrier to entry, which means that children don't necessarily need to have a massive amount of music theory knowledge in order to get going, and it's pretty instantaneous. It's also off the screens, which is a really nice thing to do. So the kids are using their ears and they're not using their eyes. They're not staring at screens and squinting. So yeah, these little boxes are amazing to get kids into electronic music.
All of this is made possible by the generosity of our community through the ISP Fund. You are helping to transform curiosity into confidence and potential into superpowers. On behalf of the middle school, thank you for inspiring the innovators, creators, and problem solvers of tomorrow.